all know the feeling of falling over and dying, and quite frankly, most of us are tired of it. So in this training video, we here at Demos Pro HQ would like to provide you with ways to not die. Okay, so right here, Jemmy is going to demonstrate how to do a certain exercise known as breathing. Now this exercise has been proven to keep people alive for longer. Okay, Jemmy. In through the nose, out through the mouth. You can do it. Yes, like that. Good job, Jimmy. This next exercise is called drinking water. As you can see, the water goes in Jimmy's mouth, but some people get it confused and might try to put it in their shirt. Do not do this. This final exercise we'll be demonstrating today is called eating food. Now, this exercise is one of the hardest ones, and in fact, a lot of people might do it incorrectly and try to eat something that is not food. Do not do this. Thanks for watching my tutorial on how not to die. Be sure to do every one of these steps correctly, and you will be sure not to die anytime soon. Thank you for watching.